Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and confirming permissions. Without Nitro, you must upload Emoji to a server you control. Resize the image to roughly 128 x 128 and keep it under 256 KB so Discord accepts it. Once done, open Server Settings, right arrow Emoji, click Upload Emoji, and give it a short name you'll type with colons. Do this now so the emoji becomes available to everyone in that server. This is the only way to use custom emoji without Nitro in server. Once the emoji is uploaded, you type the colon, the name, and the closing colon to insert it in messages. Discord auto-completes as you type. Make sure to explain to members that non-Nitro accounts can only use custom emoji inside the server where they were uploaded. They won't appear globally. If you want wider use, invite others into the server or paste the emoji image into DMs or channels as an image for temporary sharing. This clarifies both how and why limits exist. Finally, if the emoji doesn't work, first check file size and dimensions and confirm you still have the Manage Emoji role. Discord rejects oversized files. If you can't upload, ask the server owner to add it and supply the file and preferred name. As a workaround, paste the image directly into chat or use a sticker for DMs. If errors persist, remove and re-export the image at 128 x 128 and under 256 KB. Then
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.